Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to this brilliant brick beauty here at 36 Geneva Terrace. Inside, we have 3 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a lounge that can be closed off, a back lawn that's big enough for 2 tramps if you like, and a rear covered in deck you can host all your families and friends. But that's enough from me, let's go through and have a look. As you can see, this home has it all. And top of this is the location, just based right in the middle of the popular Kelvin Grove area. Give me a call or come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.